So let me just go ahead and quickly keep this image inside of the text by using PowerClip. So to do that, I'm going to right click and drag then drag it inside of this particular text and choose PowerClip inside. So now you can see that the image is inside. But let's say what I want to do is I actually want to go ahead and edit this. In that case, you can go around onto edit right here for the PowerClip object, or if you don't see it right here, you can simply go to object, go to PowerClip, and then click on edit PowerClip right here, just like this. So once you do that, you can actually see a reference to the original text right here that has been used as a PowerClip, and you can go ahead and utilize this, let's say for example image, and then drag it out wherever you want, just like this, as you want to rearrange it. So once you get to the spot that you want, you can simply press finish, and then you can see that it has been rearranged right here, just like this. So you can also go ahead and then center it out if you want to, or fit proportionately right here, fill proportionately, and then stretch to fill, just like this as well. But you can go ahead onto edit right here, and again go ahead and change it out according to how you want right here. Let me just go ahead and resize, and let's say for example keep out this particular bird's eye right here, just like this, and click on finish, and then this is what you have, as you can see. And that is how you can go ahead and edit out PowerClip inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share, and subscribe.